Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to filter and sort data in Airtable step by step, so you can quickly find what you need and organize your records more efficiently in 2026. Let's start with filtering. Open your Airtable base and go to the table you want to organize. At the top of the view, click on the filter option, then choose Add Condition. Here you can select a field, choose a condition like is not, contains, or is before, and set the value. For example, you can filter tasks where status is in progress or show only records due this week. Filters help you focus only on relevant data without deleting anything. Next, let's talk about sorting. Click on the sort option at the top of your table. Choose the field you want to sort by, such as priority, due date, or created time. You can sort in ascending or descending order depending on your needs. For example, sort by due date to see upcoming deadlines first, or sort by priority to focus on urgent tasks. You can combine multiple filters and sorts in the same view to create highly customized data displays. Save different views for different purposes, like a high priority tasks view or a completed projects view. This keeps your workflow clean and organized. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Airtable tutorials.